Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be checking out the Weber Q Series grill. This is the 1200 model. We also purchased the adapter hose to go to the 20-pound bottles and the premium grill cover, and the Weber stainless steel dual cleaning brush. That thing is sharp, but we're going to do a little unboxing, setup, and see what it's like to set one of these little things up straight from the box. So let's crack her open. Alright, inside we have a grill, nicely packed. You got cardboard everywhere in here. Here's the cardboard inserts. Then we got to get out of here. And then make sure there's nothing else. Then we have the grill, which has cardboard underneath. Alrighty. So then we have this plastic cover. And it does not look like it's bolted down. Nope, it's not bolted down. Got cardboard everywhere on this thing. It's pretty neat. These little rings fold out. Registration, serial numbers. Inside it looks like you get this little item pack. Has all your little pieces you need to put it together. More cardboard. Weber Grills app. So if you want to know how to grill anything, there's an app you can download. And then you get a pretty thick assembly. What is this? Owner's manual and assembly guide. This is all of your registration paperwork for your grill. It does come with a 5-year warranty. So anything goes wrong, contact Weber, but make sure you register it as soon as you get it. Now there should be a cover piece. Let's check in the box. Oh, underneath the hidden floor is the ceramic coated grill. So we need to get this thing cut, these little straps cut off, so we can take the cardboard off of this one. Okay, here's one of them. It's going to sit on the table. And here is the other. Make sure there's nothing that's cardboard. Okay, so this is the cooking grate. Just lay it right inside. Voila! Alright, now we're going to assemble this thing. So we're going to need the little item bag. Looks like it comes with the handle. Screws, dial, little thermometer. Comes with a battery and an igniter switch. It looks like that's it. Oh, and you have your grease catcher, which you have these little replaceable pans. So just throw these away when they get nasty. Insert a new one. Keep going. Alright, connecting the burner control valve is very simple. All you have to do is align the stem to the cap. The cap knob itself is cut out, so all you have to do is just line it up, slide it on, and you should be fully operational, and that's about it. On the igniter side, there is a little lightning bolt that shows where the igniter goes. What you're going to need to do is just get your battery, put the positive end first. So you just slide it right on in. Then you're going to get your igniter. When you put it in, you turn it quarter of a turn and it'll lock it in place. And then you can test it by just pushing on the button. You should hear it just clicking away. Now all we got to do is on the lid, we're going to fold these two in. And I'm going to turn this around so you can see it better. On the back side, there's these two little hooks with eyelets. You can simply get your lid, just line your lid up just like so. Then on your other bag here that has the 2 screws and 2 pins, you're just going to need these 2 pins and these 2 clips. And all you're going to do is just get your pin, slide it from the outside inward, get your clip, slide on just like that. Alrighty, 2 more pieces left. We have the thermostat. This one is very cut straightforward. You have a wing nut on the back of it. There's a notch cut out. Your little tab goes on the notch, so it faces down. Simply just tighten the wing nut. And there's your thermostat, or your thermometer. Now, out of this entire assembly, we have not needed not one tool except for now. Now we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. That is going to be to mount the handle. That's where these 2 screws and these 2 little bumper spacers are going to come in handy. You're going to get your screws, slide them in through the back, get your little bumper spacers. The nipple has to face out. So that the nipple goes inside of this. Then all you have to do is just turn the screws inside to get them started. And then we just use the Phillips head screwdriver to run them down and tighten them up. And there we have it, the Weber 1200 Q Series grill. This is really nice. You have these two little outriggers here. It even has lighting instructions. This is the ceramic coated grilling grate. Underneath of it, you have the stainless steel one-piece tube. Controller over here on the side, but you can see it from the front. And this is where you're going to hook your fuel up at. Normally this holds the 12 or 14 ounce bottles of LP, but we got the adapter, so we're going to hook up a 20-pound bottle to it. We're going to see how easy this lights off and see what the flame looks like. You're going to remove the dirt cover, which is this little tab in here. Just move that up and out of the way. Make sure you always replace that if you do not have a bottle or an adapter on your grill. And then just simply thread the adapter into place. And your adapter is now connected. And I almost forgot this little drip tray. They actually have two little cutout slots down here that this slides right into and actually drops into place. That is really neat. We're going to turn the dial to the little lightning bolt. We're going to hit the lightning bolt and it instantly lit up. I know it's very hard to see, but that thing instantly lit up. Just to show you. It burns very clear, can't even see the fire. With the lid closed and both of these tables all the way out, this is 15.5 inches high, basically 41 inches wide, and 16.5 inches deep. So I mean, it's a nice little working area here. Normally this uses the 14 or 16 ounce LP cylinders. It's the liquid propanes, but we're using the 20 pounder for this job. So now all we need to do is go camping so we can use this little grill and see how this thing actually cooks a nice little hamburger, a nice little steak, or my personal favorite, cheese hot dogs. Alright, so the biggest thing to remember after buying one of these is your owner's manual. Will have all your information on how to clean it, on how to maintain it, what to do in case something goes wrong. Make sure that you put your registration stickers or your serial numbers stickers, put them on it and keep a hold of it. And also in your guide, you get these little grilling guides. You get 3 of them. They're in different languages. You have English and you have other languages. But just make sure that you hold on to all these. Put your stickers on. So if you ever have a problem, you contact Weber and you can use your serial number makes it a lot easier so they know how to help you out. So hopefully the video has been helpful to everybody or anybody. If it has been, if you could just hit that thumbs up down there, it'd be muchly appreciated. If you're new to the channel, why not hit the subscribe button here and check out one of our playlists or our newest video coming out. So until next time, hope to see y'all on the next one.